my name is Simon Plant and here we are today at JCB World Headquarters here in Rochester. I've been here for 30 years and I am a fabrication team leader on the backhoe loader division. So with JCB being a family run business, that theme has also run true for myself. My dad worked here for 35 years as a welder within backhoe loader. I've also got two brothers that work here, both with over 20 years experience, along with my son, and currently works on the load all assembly line. Throughout my time here at JCB, I've seen many facelift and model changes to the entire product range. But for me personally, it was when the company moved into laser cutting in the late 1990s. This replaced a lot of plasma and gas cutters and enabled us to cut a more precise, cleaner product. So my career here at JCB started in 1995 over in logistics, moving shortly on into manufacturing, which is where we are now. Whilst in manufacturing, I've operated most of the machines in here, from press brakes to plasma cutters and laser cutters, until 8 years ago I became team leader of this area for the backhoe loader, site dumper and 1CX to the welding department. A question that often gets asked me is what drives my passion for the company. And for me, that's simple. We are all part of a team that make a world-leading machine. And personally for me, with it being founded in my local area, it's something to be incredibly proud of. So for me, one thing that makes JCB a fun place to work is the friendships we all make. Terry, the driver behind me, we've known each other for nearly 30 years, never had a wrong word said to each other. We have such a laugh, but the job gets done. Every day is exciting here working at JCB, and one standout moment was when the company asked me to go to America to try and help the process flow within their manufacturing department. This, for me, was an incredibly proud moment, and one that accumulates 30 years working within British manufacturing here at JCB.